Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. We are going to look at something concerning the introduction of information literacy, and my name is called Ronald Ikwaro. So this is where we're going to start from this slide that I've created. And here on the first part, we are going to look at the introduction of information literacy, starting with the definition, moving to importance in the digital age, then we are going to finalize with the information life cycle. That is on the introductory part of it. And in the next slide, slide number 2, we are going to now define information literacy. So when we talk of information literacy, we're just meaning the ability to locate, evaluate, organize organize and effectively use information to answer questions and solve certain problems that we might be having. And on the next slide, slide number 3, shall look at the information cycle. That one, basically, we are going to look at the creation, for example, research ideas. And the next one, we are going to look at the application, into bracket, journals, books, and websites. Also, we're going to look at distribution, into bracket, libraries, database, internet. The next one is the use, reading, citing, applying, and knowledge. The next one, we are going to also look at storage, into bracket, the archives, and then the database. And lastly, we are going to look at the disposal or updating. On the next slide, slide number 4, we shall look at importance of information literacy in the digital age. So here, number 1, they're saying to make informed decisions. Number 2, to solve problems effectively. Number 3, to learn and understand new concepts. Number 4, to use information effectively to accomplish specific purpose. The next one is to access the needed information. Apart from that one, we are going to also have to present the information. The next is to locate and retrieve the appropriate sources of information. Another one is to synthesize the information retrieved, and the next one is to identify information. Lastly, to translate the abilities and the concepts. And the last slides, we are going to look at the key information literacy skills. And there, number 1 is the critical thinking. This one. The next one is problem solving, communication, technology literacy, and then analytical thinking. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. That is only the introductory part of information literacy. We catch up in the next video.